Hi everyone, today's video is about my Longines Conquest automatic watch. I've had it about 2-3 weeks and absolutely love it. Couldn't find any information about it, you know, apart from, when I say information I meant videos. So I thought I'd make one, see if it helps. First of all, you get this beautiful box, presentation box. Hold on, it comes in this box first. Okay, it's just a normal box, but this is the presentation box that it comes in. The watch is inside, absolutely beautiful. The box is padded. Get this stupid manual, and there's only about one page that actually applies to you, but it does every single watch, you know, that Longines make. So first of all, you see it's I got the blue face 38mm watch. As I said, I got 7.5 inch wrist, and the size does matter a lot, believe it or not. Right? Now this one here is a 43mm watch, and you can see the size difference. This one looks huge. It actually looks big on my arm. So I'm going to put this on. Oh, first of all, we got a deployment clasp. Okay. Just clicks in both sides, and it's got the logo, beautiful, the logo and Longines written there. The back is just metal, again logo. Okay, let's put this on. Alrighty, so this is what I'm saying about the watch being either too big, or I think that one on the left, the black Seiko, is just too big for my arm. This one here, it's got a 12mm thickness. It's actually 11.5. It's got a 20mm strap thickness. We've got the numbers, just 2 numbers, and that's the 12 and 6 position. The date is at the 3 o'clock position. Again, it's got the blue face. It's got second hand. Right, now this is a screw-in crown. So and this is why I really made the thing, because when I was looking at how to set the watch, I didn't know it was a screw-in crown. I just thought, oh, you pull it out and set the time like you do in most watches. You don't. So you unscrew it like a nut, okay, like that. And then you then pull it out, and it's got 3 stages to do the time and the date. Okay, so and then when you finish doing it, you push it back in all the way and screw it back, so it's tight. And also, it becomes I'm not going to say waterproof, because I won't take this even in my shower. What I'm saying is this will be water resistant. Okay, even though it says 300 meters or 1,000 foot, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go swimming with it. It's not meant for that. So anyway, it's got a power reserve of 38 hours, which it's okay, but I mean, obviously the bigger the watch, because I think they do a 41 and a 40. Actually, they don't. Not in this side. Not in this colour. They don't. I think they just done a 43. But the power reserve goes up to 42 or 43 hours. So once the time is set, you know, it's pretty simple. It's super accurate, and I don't think it's lost a second yet. But anyway, I love this watch. It feels good. Looks good. I haven't had a chance. I don't know if those are luminous numbers. I think they are, but I haven't had it out in the sunlight long enough to find out. But that's the end of my review. I hope you like it. I hope you buy this watch. You know, I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.